Hello there, Michael Prince from becausefamily.org here. I just want to talk you through how to build a playlist from videos you like to watch on YouTube. The reason I want to do this is because I have conversations with parents and with teachers and people like that who are tired of their kids happening upon something inappropriate after a video shows up. Let me show you what happens when I watch a video from a playlist. So if I start off and I start watching this video, the suggested videos show up way down here. Before that, you see the videos from the playlist. And so that allows you to set up videos that you don't mind your kids clicking on or watching after this, because these playlist videos are all going to be related, obviously, because you built it, to what's going on the video you're watching. That's not a good way to freeze on me. Ooh, that's definitely not. That's better. And so you're going to allow your kids to be able to click through a little more freely. Now, unfortunately, there's no way to remove recommended videos completely off of your the sidebar here. But if you create an account for your family or for your class or your youth group or whatever, and videos that you're cool with them watching, or videos that you're going to play in front of everyone, say I play this video for everyone to watch so you're using my YouTube Digital Boundaries Workshop to show parents. And instead of having to go down here to the recommended videos and find episode 2 or whatever, you're able to let it automatically play. So when this video ends, if I go here, that video ends, and when it's over, the autoplay is on, and so it's going to automatically go to the next video in this playlist. It's not going to jump to some random video that you don't know what's going on down here. So that's why you want to build a playlist. It's very easy to do that, to build your playlists. You can build it just from just the first video you want to add. And here's how you do it. You click on this Add To button right here, and then you click on the playlist you want to add it to. So it's already in this one, and I'm not going to add it to a different one. But say you wanted to add it to, hey, that's good, let's add it to Family Tech Weekly. The second episode would be good for that. Very simple. You're done. It's done now. It's added. The other thing you can do is, if you don't have a playlist made yet, this is the first video you want to add, you click Create New Playlist, and on the bottom of that tab there, you can make the name. So workshop for youth parents. So you do that, and then you can even make it where it's private and only you can go in and use it, and your playlist isn't public for all the world to see, but only you get to use it within your channel. So you can load it, let them watch it, and then it's not that. Or you can make it to where they can have a link. So you can send a link. So say you're wanting them to watch it before they come to a class, or your students, or you just whatever reason you want that to happen. So you can say workshop for youth parents unlisted, and then that means that it's not going to show up in search results or anything like that, but it will show up whenever you email them a link and they click on it, and then they'll be able to get to it. Your playlists all show up over here, and so yeah, that's where you're going to be able to find the playlists that you've made and be able to watch them. Another thing you can do, and let's go ahead and go to Because Family Q&A, whatever, and another podcast or another episode of something here. And so say this is something that like maybe you want to make for your kids, so you're going to make your kids playlist, and it's going to be funny dude videos or whatever. So create a new playlist. So let's name this For the Children. Home row, Michael, home row. For the Children. I don't know how to put that accent in it, but like that. But then that one you're going to want to make private, and only they are able to, I didn't click create, but only they are able to view it that way, because you've made it private. And so it's not a playlist that's going to be like show up in your channel. It's not a playlist that's going to be visible to anybody in search results or anything like that. And so when your kids are watching videos, if you want them to use YouTube, but maybe they watch on the computer, not an app, and so YouTube Kids isn't good, or maybe they do use YouTube Kids, but some of the videos they like aren't on there, well, you just go to this, and you let them watch, and you say you can only watch the stuff in the playlist I made for you. So I've got the For the Children playlist, and you need to go to that, use that to watch your videos, and that's all you're allowed to do. And I'm going to see if I can find it. Earlier when I was doing this, my videos weren't showing up. My playlists weren't showing up on here. And so, and that sometimes that kind of stuff happens till you completely reload because of cache issues with the way your browser. Oh, here we go. Here's the latest one. Workshop for parents, for youth parents. There's my playlist that I built, and I added that in there. You can also edit the playlist like that, and you can change all the settings in here, so you can change it to public or back to private. You can change the order. You can make it by the date added, date newest, popular, date published, that sort of thing. So if you've got a certain order you want your people to watch it, that's how you can do it, and that sort of thing. So yeah, and there's a lot of options: allow embedding or not allow embedding. And so this is, and it's going to be different for videos that you've created versus videos that you I'm deleting it because I don't need that video in another playlist. But you can do it. You don't have to just have videos that you created in order to make a playlist. You are able to make a playlist based on videos that you like as well, and so you can do it that way. Like I said, right there, bam, you click that on the video you want to start your thing with, and that's how you go, and that's how you know what the settings are as well. This is unlisted, as you can see. So anyway, that's my advice to parents who are concerned about their kids just going all over YouTube and watching whatever. Again, there's no way to get rid of this completely. So, this is weird music test you have to try, or ultimate musician test and stuff like that. I don't know what any of those are. I don't necessarily want my kids to watch it. But if the videos here are the stuff that we've agreed they can watch, then on these playlists, then that's all that's going to show up right here, and the list is going to get bigger and bigger. You'll be able to scroll down in the list as the playlist gets bigger, and that's going to allow you to keep them from just feeling like they're going to click around all over the place and happen upon something inappropriate. Here's an example of where you can scroll down and see all the episodes of Family Tech Weekly. So there you go. That's the way to do that. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions, any more ideas, tutorials that I should do. I'm trying to get it started on a not as horrible place or paused. But anyway, if there's any more ideas of tutorials that you want to see, things that I could do to help you guys with, I just take questions I get and conversations I have a lot and turn them into these tutorials so I can point people to them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and keep tabs on what we're up to at becausefamily.org, familytechblog.com. Thanks. Bye.